A, B, C, let's sing along. Learning letters is fun, let's sing a happy song. And hard-working ant, a tiny little ant. B, bird flying high, a small chirping bird. B, car zooming by, a fast little car. D, doll, a lovely little doll, a beautiful toy doll. A, B, C, come sing with me. Learning letters is fun, as easy as can be. Egg, a smooth little egg, a white round egg. F, fox, a clever little fox, a sly orange fox. Giraffe, a giraffe with a long neck, a tall spotted giraffe. Horse, a galloping horse, a fast running horse. A, B, C, sing nice and loud. Learning letters is fun, let's make Mom proud. I, igloo and icy igloo, a cold little igloo. J, jelly wobbly, yummy jelly, a sweet fruity jelly. K, koala, a cozy koala, a cuddly gray koala. L, lamp, a glowing lamp, a bright reading lamp. A, B, C, let's sing again. Learning letters is fun with my friends. M, moon, the bright full moon, a shiny white moon. N, nut, a crunchy little nut, a small brown nut. O, octopus, a wriggly octopus, a clever sea octopus. A panda with soft fur, a playful black and white panda. Q, quail, a cute little quail, a tiny gentle quail. R, a rainbow, a colorful rainbow, a bright arched rainbow. S, a star, a shiny star above, a twinkling little star. T, train, a train jogging fast, a long speeding train. A, B, C, come along with me. Learning letters is fun as can be. Unicorn, a magical unicorn, a rare gentle unicorn. V, the vase, a beautiful vase, a tall flower vase. W, wolf howling loud, a brave gray wolf. X-ray, an X-ray shining bright, a clear helpful X-ray.